Hey guys, welcome to Abide Shop 20, where I make products with a purpose. So this is the planner that I did make. It is a yearly planner. It's got all the months of the year and it has a weekly setup. So you go on the week and it has the weekly setup. I left it pretty simple and plain so that you can add your taste to it. It's got a habit tracker and 5 different notebooks. It's got daily, notes, deals, church, and finance. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to import your stickers if you purchase any stickers and how you can use them. So here we have just a plain one. I also customize for a $5 upcharge, and I add a cover, color of your choice, name, pictures, and a quote. So we'll go back to the other one, and this is how you're going to add stickers. Now this customer actually purchased some stickers, so here they are. She purchased a cleaning sticker, which is just different chores around the house, and also a pink one. So you're gonna go to it. If you purchase it on the website Abide Shop 20, it'll send you a PDF. And the cool thing about this, it's a PNG, so it has a clear background. It's not boxy. So you have to go to this right there, and I would recommend saving it also on your Google Drive. That way you have a backup just in case. So go to save image, and it's going to save the image to your iPad. So let's go back to the notebook. Here's the notebook. Now let's say I want to add a little sticker here. I'm going to get off of this, because remember, this is only to look at the hyperlinks and go to different pages. When you go off of it is where you're actually going to write on it, edit, all that stuff. So we're gonna add a picture, and here it is. So here is your sticker sheet. See how it's clear in the back? So you're going to click on it and crop. So let's just say we're gonna use this one right here. Okay? You wanna make a to-do list. I'm gonna move it right over that, so you can customize it in that way. Okay, and here's where you use this lasso tool. You circle it, and you can move it around anywhere, or click on it and click copy. Okay, now you can go over here. Let's say you want another one, paste it. So this is really nice, and you can resize it to any size you want, and it doesn't get pixely. Okay, now let's say you don't want to crop it every single time or find it in your pictures. What I suggest doing is go to one of these that you might not use a whole lot, let's say notes, and go to the picture, add it, and you can crop. This is going to take a little time, of course. Crop each one once, so that next time you want to use it, you just go to your notes tab here, and all your stickers are here. Now you don't have to keep looking for the picture. You're just going to use your lasso, copy it, go to a different page, and paste it. So you're going to keep doing that for a little while. Click on it, crop, and do that for all the stickers. Okay? You can shape it, have whatever size you want it on. So then you're gonna do that for a little while. It might take some time, of course. But you only have to do this once, and then it's going to be cropped. All right. You could also, when you go onto the sticker, you want to crop it. Let's say you want it really close, like you don't want a box over this. You can also freehand it. So you get there, and you try to get close to it. Done. And there it is. Okay. Now, I hope to make a sticker notebook soon, so that way you can organize all of your stickers according to different topics or different themes, like maybe school or office supplies or food. You know, we have a coffee one right here. And so I hope to do that soon, but until then, this is kind of a good way to keep all your stickers close by so that you can use them throughout. So hopefully that this video was helpful for you guys, and you guys can play around and customize your weekly planner, your monthly planner. And I hope that this product, not just the planner but the stickers, are a blessing to you. If you have any questions, please go to abideshop20.com, and it's linked to my messenger, and I will answer any questions. But if not, until then, we'll see you guys. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.